Today, we're diving into the festive season with a twist. It's all about celebrating Christmas without breaking the bank. We've got 15 frugal living Christmas tips to help you enjoy the holidays more affordably. Eco-friendly Christmas tree rentals. First up, did you know you can rent a Christmas tree? This sustainable option not only saves money, but also helps the environment. Rental companies often deliver and pick up the tree, and you get to enjoy the fragrance and beauty of a real tree without any waste. Tip 2. The art of furoshiki gift wrapping. Furoshiki, the Japanese art of fabric gift wrapping, is not only eco-friendly but also adds a unique touch to your gifts. Use scarves, cloth napkins, or any beautiful fabric pieces you have. They can also serve as an additional gift, adding value and thoughtfulness. Host a festive home movie marathon. Transform your living room into a festive cinema. Organize a Christmas movie night with family or friends. Let everyone vote on their favorite holiday movies. Create a cozy setup with blankets and pillows, and enjoy a budget-friendly night in. The thoughtful art of regifting. Regifting, when done thoughtfully, can be a wonderful way to give. Enhance a previously received gift with a personal touch, like a handmade card or an additional small item, to make it special for its new recipient. Foraging for Christmas decor. Embrace nature's bounty for your Christmas decor. Foraging for pine cones, evergreen branches, and berries can be a fun family activity. Arrange them in vases, create wreaths, or simply place them around your home for a natural festive feel. Give the gift of time. Consider offering your time as a gift, whether it's a promise to help with a project, teaching a skill, or simply offering to spend quality time together. These gifts often hold more value than anything purchased. Tip 7. Utilize library resources. Your local library is a treasure trove of free holiday entertainment. Borrow books for a holiday reading session, music CDs for a festive atmosphere, or movies for a family movie night. Energy-efficient Christmas cooking. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Save energy and money with smart cooking techniques during the holidays. Use your oven efficiently by cooking multiple dishes simultaneously and explore delicious no-bake dessert recipes. Synchronize a festive gift swap. Set up a gift exchange with a twist. Each participant brings something they no longer need or want, wrapped beautifully. It's a fun way to recycle items and receive something new to you. Tip 7. Personalized DIY advent calendars. Create a DIY advent calendar. Fill it with small homemade goodies, personalized tasks, or heartwarming messages. This can be a particularly fun project if you have kids. Repurposing old Christmas cards. Get crafty with last year's Christmas cards. Cut them into new shapes for this year's decorations or gift tags, or create a festive collage. A plant-based Christmas feast. Challenge yourself with a vegetarian or vegan Christmas menu. These meals can be both budget-friendly and a delightful change from traditional fare. Look for recipes that are festive and flavorful. Make the most of cashback and rewards. Before making any holiday purchases, check for cashback offers and reward point opportunities. Use cashback websites or credit card rewards to get the most out of every purchase. Seasonal jobs for extra holiday cash. If your schedule allows, a short-term seasonal job can be a great way to earn extra cash for the holidays. Retail stores, delivery companies, and event organizers often look for temporary help. DA4 gift rules for simplified gifting. Finally, consider adopting the AFFILLIATE gift rules for a more meaningful and budget-friendly Christmas. It simplifies shopping and focuses on thoughtful gifting, something they want, need, can wear. Don't forget, the spirit of Christmas is not measured by the price tag, but by the warmth and love of the season. Stay tuned for more creative and budget-friendly lifestyle ideas. Wishing you a merry and bright Christmas.